What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we're doing something very exciting. There's this dealership in Houston called BJ Motors, also with Viper Exchange, and they have some of the coolest inventory probably in America right now, and we just got the okay to go check it out. We've been there before, but they didn't let us in because you need apparently an appointment, but I called today. They said it's all right to come shoot a video, film some of the amazing stuff they have, and trust me, they got some of the coolest stuff. Some of these cars I didn't even know existed. So we're about 10 minutes out right now. We're gonna go pull up, check out what they got, and hopefully see one car in particular that I think you guys will enjoy. So let's head on over and see what they got. All right guys, here we are. I've never actually been inside here, but I think the door is where the demon is. So I'll update you once we get inside. All right guys, we have made it inside to BJ Motors, and my goodness, check out the lineup we got behind us right now. We have just in the front a Viper race car. I don't even know what color this is. Dark gray McLaren P1, black and yellow McLaren Senna, and a LaFerrari. This is just in the front. Look how many cars we got in here. There's probably over a couple million, tens of millions of dollars worth of cars, but the one I came to see in particular is tucked away back there, but we'll get to that in a second. As you can see, we got the Shelby Super Snake variant of the Mustang. This one is over $120,000 all optioned out, and yes, it has the $7,000 painted stripe option from the factory. That takes a big baller to get one of those, but we'll go into a little bit of cinematic montage with some of the cars they got here in the inventory, and then we'll pick a few in particular to check out in depth. Alright, so my man Chris here told us that this car is a factory mistake. Do you want to explain how that happened?
Yeah, so in 2010 they had the final edition Vipers, and basically it was a combination of ACRs, convertibles, and coupes. And so when this came off the reliable truck, it was supposed to be, I believe, a convertible, and it came out an Aero Coupe, which is essentially a more track-ready SRT10. And so not exactly an ACR, but a little bit similar. And so this is a one of one. Basically, there's no other car like it. And so it only has 4 miles from new, and those are basically the kind of cars that we have here.
That's crazy.
Collector cars that you wouldn't find anywhere else.
And you can see that it still has like the wrap on the door, all the stuff that comes with the car, I'm guessing right when you get it off the truck from Viper themselves. Right. They got this wrap on the steering wheel, the seats, the shift knobs even still covered. That's crazy. One of one. You'll never see one like this again. And it's here at Viper Exchange and BJ Motors. So, and if you Viper enthusiasts, come pick this thing up. So here we have something you don't see really any day. We have a brand new 2006 Ford GT, and he was telling me that this color, what is it called again?
Tungsten gray. Tungsten gray. Yeah. Is only a 2006 color. And then this other version of the silver is only a 2005 color. So it's brand new right here. It's got the, I don't know if you can see, it's got the wrap on the steering wheel still behind the sticker that you'd get when you see it on the dealership lot, which is crazy. That, what is it, 2020 now? And this car, how many miles you say? 12. 12 miles. Geez, someone come pick this up, please. It needs a good home. Now here we have something pretty cool as well. We have a little Honda truck that has been converted to fully electric, and they were saying this is their little parts car. So in the back you'll just see a casual set of the F12 wheels over there, and then an exhaust to which car?
The Mexico Blue RS.
Oh, as you do. GT3 RS exhaust and some Ferrari wheels, carrying around in a little electric Honda. I think we need to get one of these as the truck for the channel. What do you think? So here are one of my guilty pleasures. You guys know I love the Dodge Demon, and here are there 1, 2, 3 Dodge Demons sitting in front of us right now, and this one is the very special car that I wanted to come check out today. As you can tell, it's not your regular Dodge Demon. This is in fact a full carbon fiber Dodge Demon, one of 3 ever made in the whole entire world. Every single panel on this car is carbon fiber, all the way from the mirrors down to the fenders and the big old hood. But you will never ever see one of these getting driven around. I forget what the company's name is that created this car, but once they did it for a SEMA build, Dodge said, all right, we're gonna make 3 customer cars. So this, I believe, is the 3rd customer variant, and my goodness, let's see, it's number 118 for the Dodge Demon production. But man, that is just so sick. They were saying that there's one of these that was the SEMA car that was twin turbo converted, 1400 horsepower. So as you can tell, there's lots of potential going on here, but just a stock Demon is good enough as well. Man, let's check out the carbon fiber Dodge Demon. So here we have a cool story with this Viper. This is Richard Rawlings' old car, the guy from Gas Monkey Garage. So you can see the seats are in pristine condition. How many miles do you say this one? This is pretty much new too, right?
Yeah, 96 miles.
96 miles. And then if you follow Stradman on Instagram, you may have seen this one on his story. They were joking around, maybe joking around, maybe coming to pick this bad boy up. You know the man likes his purple cars. But as you can see, they have quite the lineup of Vipers as far as the eye can see, even back down this way. Even some of the one-of-ones, special editions, track record-setting times. This is pretty much like the ultimate man cave we got going on here, and it's all here at BJ Motors. So if you guys want to come cop anything, they have everything from your regular Porsche Turbo S, brand new Ford GT. They got race cars, hypercars, and of course a vast assortment of Vipers and classic cars. So y'all come out, check them out, and hopefully take one of these bad boys home. Alright guys, well, that has been our time here at BJ Motors. We got the graphite gray McLaren P1, the black Senna with sort of the Brazilian vibe going on with the yellow and green accents, then the Rosso Corsa LaFerrari, and of course over there in the corner, the all carbon Dodge Demon. But I want to know what you guys think was your favorite car, and if you had to take one out of this whole lineup in this whole garage that we checked out today, which one would you take? I think for me, I'd have to probably take the P1, and if I can't pick a hypercar, than probably that Carbon Demon over there. But I want to know what you have to think. There's a couple cars in here that are one of one. You'll never see them anywhere else in the world. And if you guys are car collectors or saw something you like, make sure to hit up my boy Chris here at BJ Motors, and he'd be more delighted to help you out. Take home one of these bad boys. So always remember, guys, if you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.